right?
Purple, red, and white. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Like, look at this. This is very neat.
Look, I already found white.
You found white? Oh, you're good. Where's purple? This one's maybe got some purple. Oh, that one's very cool.
Yeah, it does have purple.
That one's very pretty.
Now would you take a look at my purple
Okay.
one?
Yeah, but don't drop my phone. Because that's the money maker. That's all we got.
Oh, cool.
Okay.
That was cool.
Very nice conglomerates around here. And sure enough, Tessa's mummy's pants. Okay. Let's see any more amethyst pieces. This is cool though. Very purple. This is a pumice one though. This is a conglomerate too. Look at this. Ooh, look at that. Conglomerate.
Where should I put this one? Where should I put this one?
What's in there? What's in here? Something. There's something in there.
Filming you.
Are you? Thanks. Up close. Filming me up close. On my ear. Thank you, Wolfie. Okay, my hair. You got it. You got it.
Mom, that's all.
Over here. Mad Dog Mountain Nuts at the beach.
That's on the beach.
At the beach.
Can you look up the sky? Can you look up the
We looked at the sky. It was pretty nice. We came to the beach. It was pretty nice. We found some really good. There's Daddy fishing.
Yeah, Dad.
Cool.
Yeah, Dad. Yeah, zombie.
Yeah, zombie. Yeah, zombie.
I was great digger.
Look at all these conglomerates. You can just polish them all up. Look at that.
Mom, I'm doing.
Are you filming still? Look at this one. Take it home. Hey, film me. Film me. Film me. You got my rock in there?
Dun, 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 dun. I still
Did
see
you get it in there or what?
it.